Marcus Foster and Hoover present the 4th annual reunion weekend. The all-black party, Saturday, July 29th at the Marriott, 1001 Broadway in Oakland. Dress code, your flyest all-black attire. And the reunion picnic, Sunday, July 30th at Lake Temescal. That's right, reunion weekend is back and tickets are limited and going fast. The only way you gon' get in is to buy tickets in advance. Get them now on Eventbrite and get ready to turn up.
I've been turning up for my city.
It's the 4th annual reunion weekend, black party and picnic. Tickets are limited and must be purchased in advance.